Hello everyone, this is Vallavi Mahajan. In here I am going to give you algorithm of predictor-corrector method for solving a differential equation. So a predictor-corrector method use previous points to evolving a solution. So the algorithm of predictor-corrector method is first we read the values of x1, y1, h and xf, and next write the value of x1 and y1, and next we find the value of function at the point of x1 y1, that is the value of k1, and find the value of x2 equals to x1 plus h, and the value of y2 equals to y1 plus h into k1, and next we find the value of function at the point x2 y2. This is the k2. Next we find the y2 equals to y1 plus h into k1, that is the value of function at the point x1 y1 plus k2, that is the value of function at the point x2 y2 upon 2, while x2 is less than or equal to xf is the value of range to which we find the value of function. Do begin. Next write the value of x2 y2, then find the value of function at x2 y2, that is k2, and next we find the predictor y3, predictor formula y1 plus 2 into h into k2. Next we find the value of x3 equals to x2 plus h, and the value of k3 equals to function at the point x3 and the predict y3. Next we find the y3, that is corrector formula equals to y2 plus h k2 plus k3 by 2. So y2, the value of y2 in y2 equals to y1 equals to y2 and y2 equals to y3 corrector, and the value of x2 equals to x3, and the end of algorithm. So here prediction formula is yi plus 2 predict equals to yi plus 2h f of xi plus 1 yi plus 1. That is the equation first. The superscript p indicates that yi plus 2 is an extrapolated or predicted value. A check on whether this prediction is reasonable may be made by examining the plot of the derivatives dy by dx. Let's see the graph. Illustrating this graph, illustrate predictor-corrector method. The area under the dy by dx, area under the dy by dx curve between xi plus 1 and xi plus 2 may thus be evaluated using trapezoidal rule. The area between xi plus 1 and xi plus 2 is evaluated by trapezoidal rule. This is the area, that is B. So evaluating by trapezoidal rule, this area is B equals to h by 2 f of xi plus 1 yi plus 1 plus f of xi plus 2 yi plus 2 predict. Another estimate of yi plus 2 may be obtained by adding this area B to yi plus 1. It is adding this area B to yi plus 1. So we get yi plus 2 corrector. So new estimate is called the corrected value of yi plus 2. This value is yi plus 2 corrector equals to yi plus 1 plus h by 2 f of xi plus 1 yi plus 1 plus f of xi plus 2 yi plus 2 predictor. That is the equation second. So the equation first and equation second constitute a predictor-corrector method of developing the solution of a differential equation from point xi yi and xi plus 1 by I plus 1 to xi plus 2 yi plus 2. This is the algorithm of predictor-corrector method. Thank you.